In this edition of Higher Ed Highlights, Governor Mike DeWine and Chancellor Gardner spent a recent morning on the campus of Clark State College in Springfield, where President Jo Alice Blondin welcomed them to Shull Hall for a tour of the Sweet Advanced Manufacturing Center. The tour was led by Clark State engineering professor Nora Hayden, who provided an overview of the equipment while sharing more about the various manufacturing degrees students can pursue at Clark State. Governor DeWine and Chancellor Gardner also met with students in Clark State's welding program before sitting down for a roundtable discussion with manufacturing students, Clark State staff and trustees, and representatives from Yamada North America, an advanced manufacturing company with a factory in South Charleston. Governor DeWine concluded the visit with a brief press conference where he touted Clark State's ability to respond to the needs of regional employers.
Clark State has done a very, very good job working with the business community to make sure they have that equipment. The other thing you can see at Clark State is apprenticeships as well as just internships, where part of the education is going out and working in a business.
Look for Higher Ed Highlights on the Ohio Department of Higher Education's YouTube page and through our Facebook page and Twitter feed, and check out our website at ohiohighered.org.